My name is Where's my builder's plate at? Where's my builder's plate down? Oh, it's over there. See that shit? My builder's plate is right there. How am I dumbass? It's usually right there. I'm not even Kawasaki, right here. I'm not even gonna argue with you.
This is Carroll Street.
I mean, we can argue all day.
Transfer is available to the F train.
Oh, shit. Don't be break film, bro.
This is a Church Avenue bound G train. The next stop is Smith-9 Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
The train departs. Wait, no, we just watched the movie. There's some video. You know, it's one, but it would be good to start walking back right now.
This is Smith-9 Street. This is a Church Avenue bound G train. The next stop is 4th Avenue, 9th